Hello my crafty friends, it's Erica, Scrapdiva29. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you had a great weekend. I wanted to come on quickly and share with you a few things I picked up at Michael's. I picked up one thing at Tuesday morning over the weekend, and that is about it. All right, so let's jump right in. I did pick this stuff up last week, but I didn't get to share, but I was able to get it 60% off plus an additional 30% off, I think, regular price purchases. And today I did post a new coupon on Instagram that started, I think, the 20th, and it goes through like maybe June 3rd. And that is for 25% off sale and regular priced items. So take advantage of that if you don't have that coupon. I'm Scrapdivatwentynine on Instagram. All right, so what I picked up was this Cheeky Modern Pop. It's the enamel paint, and it creates those little dots. And I wanted to play with this, and I just like the fun bright color, so I picked that up. I did pick this little stamp set up, and when I went, it was on sale. Everything in that $2 bin was $1. And I'm so sorry I didn't get to share with you these finds last week when I found them for great prices, but I'm sure they're having some type of sale today, and then they also have the coupon, which you can take advantage of. I did pick up this little postcard pad set, and this is the, what is it, this one? This is the Poolrific, and this is really cute. It's postcards, but you can make some really fun shakers or different things with this. Fun in the sun, hello summer, cheers, and you get several each one, and this one says stay cool. So I had already bought the collection, so I wanted to go ahead and pick that up. I did pick up this Cheeky Modern Pop, and this is just a paper pad, and it is embossed. I'll do a quick flip through, but it's really, really pretty. I love the bright colors, and I want to use this for a summer project. I also picked up these cards and envelopes. I'm sure you all have seen these, and these are the unicorn cards. I picked up this super cute stamp set with the little cloud and the die. And then I picked up this little traveler's notebook. I just thought it was extra cute. I want to do some type of unicorn themed traveler's notebook. And it just has the days of the week in here and the monthly view. Super cute. I just love the outside. It's so pretty. I picked up some more of these hearts. And then I did pick up this Cheeky Modern Pop glitter. I love the colors, the bright colors, and the sequence that comes in this, and I got such a great deal on it. I think I paid less than $5, so if you can get this, I'd pick it up and get it with a coupon. All right, and then last but not least, I have a couple more things. I picked this little setup. It's just a Talk to Me unicorn, and it's just memo paper. Really, really cute, and it comes with envelopes. And then I picked up some Martha Stewart glitter. I think I used a 50% coupon on this, and then I got an additional percentage off. So really, really pretty. And then what I picked up from Tuesday morning was this paper pad. This is the only thing that I found. It was $5.99, and it's the Wildlife, and it's Echo Park paper. I picked this up because I wanted to do some Father's Day cards or some type of project with Father's Day. And I figured this would be good. This is kind of manly paper, so I picked that up. So that is my quick share for you today. I have been creating. I will be sharing some things with you as soon as possible, so stay tuned to my channel. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.